This is a more in-depth view into Gamma and Density's image control, the iPad iPhone app for cinematographers, DITs, and photographers. Image control allows a calibrated and accurate communication of images between the set and post-production using its internal method of calibration, which has been used for years on many studio productions with 3CP set and post. Image control works as a standalone application or in conjunction with 3CP set and post. As you can see here, I started a new project. My images are organized by production days. Here I have day 1, day 2, day 3. In my day 3 folder I have some images already loaded, and I can move them around or organize them if I want to. If I wanted to load more images, I can go over here and click the plus sign. As you can see, I can import from the camera, import from the photo album, or import from 3CP where the images can be sent over a secure Wi-Fi network. I'm just going to use an image I already have loaded. Now that my image is loaded, I can take sample points of it using my digital spot meter. I can take f-stops, percentage, millivolts, or RGB values. I can also take multiple points throughout the image. Now I'm going to go into the ruler tool. As you can see, I have a zone system here at the bottom, and then a dynamic range slider at the top, where those 2 points I made are shown. I can drag my slider here at the bottom and adjust my exposure to pre-visualize what a different f-stop would look like. If you notice, the 2 points I made at the top will change as I move it. I can also use mask for pre-visualization. I can select a variety of aspect ratios and also crop to see how a shot might look a bit tighter. Now, if I want to begin color correcting, I can go into controls and use printer lights, density, hue, saturation, or if I want to use color wheels, I can make adjustments that way. I also have the option to use video RGB controls. I can utilize lift, gamma, or gain. I can also use curves. I can take a point anywhere on the curve. I can take multiple points on the curve and drag them accordingly. Finally, I can use custom profiles. These include predefined profiles included in image control, as well as custom profiles which users can create. I have multiple methods of measuring the adjustments I make to the image. I can open my test instruments and I have an RGB waveform, vector scope, histogram, and tone curve. As you see here, as I toggle the profile, you can watch as the test instruments change. So now that I'm done color correcting my image, I have a few options of exporting it. I can send a 3CP style report and 3D LUT directly to the post facility. I can save the image to my photo album, or I can send the image and settings directly to 3CP if I or another member of the production was using 3CP on set as well. I'll show you how you can send the report and 3D LUT to post. You simply hit send report via email. It then brings up my mail client, and as you can see here, I have a 3CP style report with the before and after image, a watermark, and test instrument display at the bottom. Now all I have to do is enter in the email address I would like to send it to. And now the images will be seen exactly how you created them.